Guys, what's up everybody? This is Arafat from Make Way for Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how you can save your contacts from an Excel file to your phone. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do click on the subscribe button and let's move forward. So first of all, open Chrome in your web browser, then go to contacts.google.com, type in this web address and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will be directed to the contacts page of your Google account. So once you open this page, there will be no contacts. If there are no contacts in your Google account, you will see no contacts here. If you see empty, you can just click on create contact and create one contact there, so you can automate others. But if you already have a contact added, click on the three dot here, then you will see these options. Click on export. After clicking on export, choose this Google CSV, then click on export here. So as you can see, the Google Contacts format contacts.csv file is downloaded. You can find it in your downloads folder. So I'll open the file manager, go to downloads, and as I go to downloads, I can see this here, contacts file. So I will open this file. It's taking some time to load. So as you can see here, the file is open now. The first column is the name column, then the given name column is same as the name column. Then if you want to add these columns, you can add, or you can directly go here to the end. Group membership, you have to keep this for all the contacts. My contacts, how many contacts you save, you have to keep this common. Then phone one value, as you can see here, the phone number, you have to put the phone number along with the country code. Okay, so now let's add some contacts here. I have already saved one Excel sheet with the contacts. So what I will do is, open that sheet. Okay, as you can see the name here, I will copy all the names from here. Then I will go to my contacts.csv file. I will paste it in the names as well as the given names. Okay, once I do this, I will head over to the phone number section. I will copy all these phone numbers from here. And I will paste it into this contacts.csv file here. Okay. So now as you can see, we have pasted the names and the contacts. If you want, you can also paste photos, notes, subjects, addresses here. But for now we will only save the names and the contact numbers. Once you are done with this, you will have to click on save the file. Okay, so now we have saved this file. Again we will open contacts.google.com. As you can see here, there are already some contacts added here. So I will open other accounts so I can show you clearly that the contacts are being added to the account. So as you can see here, there are no contacts. Now what I will do is click on import contacts. Okay, then I will select the file which we just saved. This is the file we saved. Double click on it. So as you can see, the file is uploaded here. Now what you have to do is just click on import, and as you see, the Google is importing contacts and it's done. See, all the contacts are here. See, now you are seeing these empty contacts here, 1 2 3 4 5. Why is it like that? Because we did one mistake, and I will show you. We added these 5 extra my contacts to group membership. So what we will do is we'll just simply delete this. Again click on save. After you save the file, once again we will import the file, and let's see what happens. Select file, double click on it. As you see, the contacts.csv file is uploaded. Simply click on import, and as you see, all the contacts have been uploaded here. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.